Okay, last class आमे देखिथिले इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस फारेज लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस फारेज लॉ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस रे आमे पढिथिलु फर्स्ट लॉ टा पढिथिलु तार मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन टा देखिथिलु सेटु आमे लिखिबा डेफिनेशन टा आउथरे लिखि दबा डेफिनेशन लास्ट क्लास से देखिबो प्रीवियस क्लास डेफिनेशन टा दिया हेची आमे छाडिथिलु एटु मैथमेटिकली W proportional to Q. Here W equal to what? Amount of substance deposited or dissolved at different electrode and your Q was quantity of charge passed into the electrolyte during electrolysis. Okay, so again Q equal to IT. Here Q ta kete IT. I is the kana. Here I suppose this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. Here I is the current expressed in ampere and T equal to your time expressed or taken in second. So we know that W is proportional to Q. So Q equal to IT here. I means current expressed in ampere and T equal to time expressed in second. So equation 1 can be written as here equation 1 by putting the value of Q equal to IT in equation 1 we have W proportional to IT. Proportionality constant, the proportionality चिन्हटा उठे देले symbol टा W equal to ZIT. Here Z is called proportionality constant called electrochemical equivalent. Okay, so we got Q equal to IT, I is ampere, T is second, and W proportional to IT because previous equation 1 रे कौन थिला W proportional to Q थिला, that was the equation 1. So according to the first law, what? According to first law, amount of substance directly proportional to the what? the quantity of electricity or charge passed through the electrolyte. Q যদি IT ହେଲା ତ Q ଜାଗାରେ IT ବସାଇ ଦେବା. Proportionality constant ଉଠିଗଲା Z ବସିଲା, Z is called proportionality constant. It is called electrochemical equivalent. Okay. So we got W equal to ZIT. If I equal to 1 ampere and T equal to 1 second, then a W equal to Z into 1 into Z into 1 ampere into 1 second. That implies W equal to Z. So here we can write the electrochemical equivalent. Electrochemical equivalent Z is equal to the amount of substance equal to the amount of substance deposited at electrode when the charge is 1 coulomb, that is 1 ampere into 1 second passed through the electrolyte during electrolysis. Okay, so Z equal to IT hala. If I equal to 1 ampere, T equal to 1 second, then Z equal to what? Z into 1. This is Z, W equal Z. So what will be the definition of electrochemical equivalent? That means electrochemical equivalent equal to amount of substance deposited at electrode equal to the amount of substance deposited at the electrode. That means Z equal to 1 at that time when I equal to 1 and T equal to 1. I 1 ampere into T 1 ampere, this is coulomb. So when 1 coulomb charge provided into the electrolytic solution, at that time your electrochemical equivalent Z will be equal to the W. Okay. So by convention, line 6500 coulomb is equal to 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday. That means 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb of charge. This is by convention. This is the rule. We have to remember it. Okay. So By convention, it is also 9,6. By passing 96500 coulomb of charge through the electrolytic solution, 1 gram equivalent of the substance will deposited at electrode. So we got that by convention we know that 96500 coulomb of charge is equal to the 1 Faraday. So 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb of charge. By passing 96500 coulomb of charge through the electrolytic solution, 1 gram equivalent substance can be deposited at electrode. So 96500 coulomb charge pass करके हमें कितने substance deposit कर पाएगा 1 gram equivalent substance को कौन deposit कर पाएगा. So 1 coulomb will deposit, that is 1 gram equivalent divided by 9650 substance. So 1 coulomb charge provide करके हमें कितने substance deposit कर पाएगा 1 gram equivalent by 96500 substance. Hence we can write your Z equal to what? 1 gram equivalent divided by 96500. This is the equation we got. So we got Z equal to 1 gram equivalent divided by 96500. That implies Z equal to equivalent mass by 96500. That implies your equivalent mass equal to Z into 96500. This is the another equation we got from the first law of electrolysis. Okay, once again I repeat. So we can deposit 1 gram equivalent of substance by passing 96500 coulomb of charge. So 1 coulomb will be deposited how much? 1 gram equivalent by 96500. Hence what happens? Z equal to 1 gram equivalent by 96500. Same the thing I write here. Z equal to what? Your Z equal to 1 gram equivalent by 96500. So Z equal to 1 gram equivalent जगह equivalent mass रखा गला. So Z equal to equivalent mass by 96500. That means equivalent mass equal to Z into 96500. This is your first law of the electrolysis. Okay, copy it. So 14 मिनट